Welcome to Bike Zone Pro. Today we're talking about one of the most exciting launches in the electric vehicle market, the 2025 Jio Electric Cycle. JI is stepping into the e-mobility space with a game-changing cycle that promises affordability, smart features, and eco-friendly commuting. Let's dive into its specs, performance, and whether it's worth buying. Sleek and modern design. Jio has crafted this electric cycle with a lightweight yet durable aluminum alloy frame, ensuring both strength and easy handling. The ergonomic saddle and shock-absorbing tires make it comfortable for long rides, while LED headlamps and a digital dashboard enhance its modern appeal. Battery and performance. The Jio Electric Cycle comes with a powerful lithium-ion battery offering a range of 60 to 80 km per charge. With fast charging support, the battery recharges fully in just 3 or 4 hours, making it perfect for daily commutes. The 250W brushless motor provides a top speed of 25 km/h with both pedal assist and throttle modes for convenience. Smart features and connectivity. One of the biggest highlights is its smart IoT connectivity. Riders can link the cycle to a dedicated Jio app for GPS tracking, ride analytics, and remote locking. Some models may even support voice control integration, making it a truly next-gen ride. Price and availability. Jio aims to keep this cycle affordable with an expected price of around Rs 300,000 to Rs 400,000. It will be available online and at select Jio retail stores, making it accessible to a large audience. Final verdict. The Jio Electric Cycle 2025 offers an impressive combination of affordability, technology, and sustainability. Whether you're a student, office goer, or fitness enthusiast, this cycle can be a game changer for urban commuting. Stay tuned to Bike Zone Pro for more updates on the latest e-bikes. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting content.